Subject: Software Design Patterns. The topic I have chosen is Strategy Pattern. The agenda of this mini project is to understand the meaning of strategy, understanding strategy pattern, when to use, how to use this pattern and its practical implementations. Firstly, meaning of strategy. A strategy is a plan of action designed to achieve specific goals. In this example, the strategy 1 uses the bike to transport from home to office, whereas strategy 2 uses the rickshaw as well as the train to travel from home to office between the station 1 and the station 2. Motivation. There are common situations when classes differ only in their behavior. For these cases, it's a good idea to isolate the algorithms in separate classes in order to have the ability to select different algorithms at runtime. Intent. Defines a family of algorithms, encapsulates each one and make them interchangeable. Strategy lets the algorithm vary independently from clients that use it. Structure. Strategy defines an interface common to all supported algorithms. Context uses this interface to call the algorithm defined by a concrete strategy. Implementation. We are using a shopping mall example which accepts the customer detail, calculates the bill amount, and thirdly, applies the discount on the day of the week. For example, on Monday applies a low discount of 10% and on Thursday high discount of 50%. Implementation of shopping mall. We must create an application through following steps, that is, create a shopping mall class and encapsulate it with customer detail, calculate bill and get final bill methods. Problem: here we must introspect whether the discount logic lies inside or outside the shopping class. There are two solutions. The solution 1 consists of, let us consider the first approach, that is that the discount logic resides inside the shopping class, which is shown in the following figure. But however, this approach violates the two basic principles. Open-close principle, which states software entities should be open for extension but closed for modification, which is completely violated here. And secondly, non-reusable. Encapsulation of discount logic inside the shopping mall makes it non-reusable, hence same discount strategy cannot be used in other shopping malls. Conclusion. The first approach is rolled out and hence move the discount logic outside the shopping class, which constitutes the second solution, as shown in the following figure. Hence we implement the strategy pattern onto the following problem, which is depicted in the following figure. In the strategy pattern, all three discounting logics will be implemented as three different classes or algorithms. Shopping mall follows the principle program to interfaces and not to implementation. Now let's have a brief code walkthrough, that is, we will try to implement the strategy pattern through Java code. Firstly, we need iStrategy interface, which will act as base for all our strategies or discounting logics. We have defined it using the method getFinalBill, which is used to calculate the final bill after applying all the discounts. We need to create algorithms starting with low discount strategy, implements the iStrategy interface and overrides the getFinalBill method and returns the final bill after applying the 10% of discount. Now moving on to the high discount strategy. Here we are implementing the iStrategy interface and overrides the getFinalBill method and returns the final bill after applying 50% of discount. Now moving on to the no discount strategy. Here we implement the iStrategy interface and returns the bill amount as it is. Now we need to use the strategies by creating the shopping mall class and encapsulating customer details, bill amount, getFinalBill methods. Shopping mall class uses interface instead of concrete classes and follow the object-oriented principle, that is, program to an interface and not to an implementation.
In the final client code, we are creating an object of shopping mall class passing the following parameters: customer name, bill amount, strategy that we want to apply. We are passing the discounting strategy at runtime and we can change the strategy at any time. For example, Monday 10%, Thursday 50% and Sunday no discount. Finally, the output consists of as follows. The final bill for Monday is 900 followed by Thursday 500 and followed by Sunday 1000. In the final code, we use a switch loop for the day of the week in which we use the appropriate discounting strategy and hence calculate the final bill. Hence, I conclude the discussion about the strategy pattern.